Hi, in this video, we will talk about RDBMS. So means Relational Database Management System. In our previous video, we already discussed about DBMS, Database Management System. So in this video, we will talk about Relational Database Management System. So what is Relational Database Management System? A relational database is a collection of information that organizes data in predefined relationships where data is stored in one or more tables of columns and rows. Okay, so there will be the information will be organized and in predefined relationships where data is stored in one or more tables. So because of that, it making it easy to see and understand how different data structures relate to each other. So if you segregate the data in multiple tables, then it is easy to understand how different data structures relate to each other. And then relationships are a logical connection between different tables established on the basis of interaction among these tables. So with the help of relations, we can have a logical connection between different tables. So database system that consists of a data stored in relations. So database system that consists of data stored in relations. These relations are related to each other by primary key, foreign key relationships within the constraint that column designed as foreign key must contain a value only from values already present in related primary key. So this might be a bit confusing, but with the help of one example, we'll see what exactly primary key and foreign key. And so we'll have a relations between the table. Because of that, it is easy to understand the tables. Okay. So here I have a table. This table has multiple columns: customer ID, customer name, product ID, product price, billing address, order ID, shipping date, order status. So different sets of, different columns are available in this particular table. So but when you uh, keenly observe, there are two entities. We have two entities information here. So what are the two entities? One is customer and another is product. So here we have some attributes. What are those attributes? If you take a entity as a customer ID, customer name, is billing address, and order status, all these things will comes under customer. If you take a product as a separate entity, product name, product ID, product price, and order ID are, yeah, these three things: product name, product ID, product price comes under product entity. So we have two different entities information in the same table. And if you see, the product name is laptop and the product ID is 123 and the product price is $1,000. So here laptop $1,000, here laptop $1,000. Okay, so which I highlighted in green color. So suppose, let's assume the product price is changed in the future. Okay, so product price is changed in the future from $1,000 to 200 or 800. We don't know. So at that time, we need to update this information in multiple places. Okay, here, we have only 5 rows. Then it looks simple, but in the real-time database, it might be a lakhs of rows. Okay, so that time it is tedious job to update all the places. Okay, so there might be a change in product ID, there might be a change in product price. So tomorrow you change your laptop product ID from 123 to 120, something like that. So that time also we need to update this product ID, and the product price changed from $1,000 to something else. That time also we need to change. So because of that, we need to segregate this information into different tables. For that, people normally, I mean, not in the database, normally we'll use normalization concept. So with the help of normalization, we can segregate these tables into these columns into different tables. So if you come down, you have a customer table and product table. Here, customer has customer name, billing address, customer ID, order ID, shipping date, order status, and product ID, which he bought. Okay. Coming to the product, you have product ID, product name, product price. Only 3 columns. Okay. So, and how these two are relating to each other? You see that foreign key, primary key. Primary key means that is a unique property of that particular what is it, like column. Okay. So triple one is unique, triple two is unique, triple three is unique, triple four is unique, triple five is unique. This is customer ID. Okay. So which is unique, that we can consider as a primary key. Okay. In the same way, in the coming to the product, Product ID is also unique. Laptop will have 1, 2, 3. Keyboard will have 4, 5, 6. Mouse will have 7, 8, 9. Okay. And the same product ID you use in the customer as a foreign key. So this customer has bought which product? 1, 2, 3 product he bought. And John has bought 1, 2, 3. Peter has also 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if tomorrow something changes, we can directly update in the product. Simply product ID is to 1 to 0. Then all the information which is having relation automatically changes. Okay. If you want to get that information, you can use joins concept in the SQL and you can retrieve data from both the tables. Okay. This is how you will make relations. So here product ID is primary key. The product ID same primary key is available in this customer table. So that acts as a foreign key to this table. Okay. So this is how you can make relation between different tables and you can retrieve the data and you can maintain the data easily. Okay. So then what is the benefits of relational database? The main benefit of the relational database model is that it provides an intuitive way to represent data and allows easy access to related data points. Okay. It is the natural way to represent data and you can easily access the data. As a result, relational databases are most commonly used by organizations that need to manage large amounts of structured data. Okay. So here we have only 5 rows, but in the real time, there might be lakhs of data, millions of data. So then this relational database is very much helpful. Okay. So, and then flexibility. It is easy to add, update or delete tables, relationships, and make other changes to data whenever you need without changing the overall database structure or impacting existing applications. So it is very flexible. With these relations, you can update, add, delete all these things easily. ACID compliance. ACID means atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. So relational database support this ACID and the performance to ensure data validity regardless of errors, failures, or other potential mishaps. Okay. So ease of use. It is easy to run complex queries using SQL, which enables even non-technical users to learn how to interact with the database. So SQL queries will be kind of plain English. You can easily understand by looking into that query. So with the help of that, you can query the data from multiple tables. And the collaboration. Multiple people can operate and access data simultaneously. Built-in logging prevents simultaneous access to data when it is being updated. So with the help of RDBMS, these DBMS tools, what we can do, multiple people can access the data simultaneously. When multiple people updating the data, then we'll have a built-in logging system. With the help of that, only one person can update the data at a single time. Okay. Built-in security. Role-based security ensures data access is limited to specific users. So you can provide security also. Only a user can have access to a particular table. Only that person can access, other person cannot access. This way, you can have security to your tables or data or database. Okay. Database normalization. That's what we are discussing, right? Relational database employ a design technique known as normalization that reduces data redundancy and improves data integrity. Redundancy means, so in the same table, we have this duplicate data, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, laptop, something like that. Okay. So with the help of this normalization process, we can segregate the tables in different tables and you can manage easily. Okay. So this is all about relational database management system. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.